We saved it. We saved the live stream. Oh, those two lovebirds over there. Oh, there they go. Into the cave. She's like, no, get out. Get out of my house. Let's go. look at Keisha's going, get out of my house. Don't get in. Oh, he's working his way in. He's winning. That's awesome. Oh, he won. He's in. Oh no. Thank you, Sally. I made it. I'm still here. And we are still at 4% battery, but we are charging now. We're charging the phone. She kicked him out again. Look at that. He's like, fine, I guess I'll sleep with the fish. No, you won't. She took the fish.